How to build a dashboard for Google Analytics 4. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to build a custom dashboard in Google Analytics 4 to track your key metrics effectively. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Analytics account and select the property for which you want to create a dashboard. Once you're in, click on Explore in the left-hand menu, and this is where you'll create your custom dashboard. Now, click on Blank to start a new exploration. You will see a blank canvas where you can design your dashboard. First, add the metrics you want to track by clicking on Variables on the left side, and here you can choose dimensions like page title, source and medium, or user engagement, and metrics like users, sessions, or conversions. Drag and drop the dimensions and metrics into the canvas area to create visualizations. You can choose different types of charts, tables or graphs depending on how you want to display the data exactly. Customize the data range at the top right to analyze the data for a specific period. Once you've set everything up, you can save your dashboard by clicking Save in the top right corner. Give it a name that reflects its purpose so you can easily find it later. And that's it. You've successfully built a custom dashboard in Google Analytics 4. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more analytics tips. Thanks for watching.